These eyes have seen better days. I drive through bitter rain, I'd hydroplane into an abyss, just to have one kiss from you.
Hi, welcome to my second video. Today I'm going to show you how to obtain this look using Apres Gel X with Luminary as the base instead of the Extend Gel from Apres. So here I'm using a custom color I mixed up, which is Love from Luminary mixed with a little Clarity, and then Ice Queen and Strawberry Mist from Dulce Nail Sprinkles. And so I am just putting it on the underside of the tip. These tips are already prepped, nails prepped, and has a base coat cured. So just kind of feathering it down, and then I do like a slip layer on the underside of the nail, because I found if I don't do that, it doesn't get all the way to the edges. So I do that first, and then I fill the rest of the nail in. You don't want to get too carried away with it because you don't want it seeping out everywhere, but you also want to have enough color coverage, so you kind of just have to find your happy place with this. Just making sure I get all of the edges. Okay, and then the one big thing that's different with using the Luminary or colored Extend Gel, whatever way you're going, than using the clear Extend Gel is that you don't want to push real hard while you're holding the tip down. Just basically have enough pressure to hold it there, because you don't want it squishing out all over the place and like moving the color too much. So I'm just barely pushing down on it while I cure. And I did like extra cure time on this also, just to be safe. Now curing by the cuticle, and then I'm also going to cure underneath of the nail. And when I have them go in the light for their full cure, I have them go 2 full times and then flip their hand over and go a 3rd time, just to be safe, to make sure that color gets cured from underneath. But that's it. It went pretty well. It didn't seep out anywhere because I wasn't squeezing too hard. The very first one I tried to put on, I learned that lesson immediately, so I took it off and redid it. But that's that. Super easy and cute for a base that you don't have to use gel polish.
These eyes have seen better days. I drive through bitter rain, I'd hydroplane into an abyss, just to have one kiss